Good morning, guys. It's 6 a.m. I'm gonna get up and start driving. I'm gonna put at least an hour in. Actually, I'm probably gonna drive for half an hour. Stop, check the van, keep going. We've got 4 quarts of oil in case we need to top up as we go. Querétaro's 4 hours away. That's why I bought 4 quarts. I figured I would need 1 per hour. Hopefully I don't need more than that. Okay, let's go. That was our number 1. Let's go have a look. Oh yeah, she's dripping. So last night, we pulled over at the Nissan dealership, and this is the oil they had. So I feel absolutely horrible putting the wrong oil in to my brand new engine. What are my options right now? I'm not actually dripping as much as I thought I was. We're nice and topped up now. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty good, so. Should be more than good for another hour. Hey, halfway there, guys. Stop number 2. Oh yeah, we're leaking.
What's this, 3rd or 4th check?
3rd check.
I just thought I'd say good morning, everybody. Eamon was so kind. He let me have a little snooze in this morning as he began the journey, and we're only an hour and a half away from Querétaro now, which feels strangely and oddly like home. So excited to be there. Hoping it's an easy fix and we can vamos.
We're good.
We're good?
We're good.
Here working on my stewardess skills, serving up a nice lunch to my pilot. Pilot, how's the grub? It's good, eh? All we've been making lately are sausages and chickpea salad sandwiches. But this chickpea salad sandwich is so much better than the last one we showed you because we have dill pickles and some tomato for it.
Last one. We're good.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not leaking that much.
Oh boy. I cannot believe we're back here. Oh my Buddha. Hola Kathy. ¿Cómo estás?
The amigo here has helped us out. They're super busy, so they said they can't even take us into a service bay, but they pulled Mario to quickly have a look.
Hola Mario.
Our next thing is either we get an appointment here on Monday, which is like ridiculous, or we're gonna call Mexico City and see if we can get down to Mexico City. But like, oh my god, I'm just hoping this is a small fix. It looks like the oil pan is like picture a big metal box, and then it's got bolts that are holding the house up, and that's where the oil sits, basically in that canister. So it looks like it's dripping from all those bolts, but it's actually running along the lip and then pooling up and then spilling off that. So the first 2 guys looked at it. When I was in Nissan, I said, oh my god, it's definitely coming from those bolts. And that's why I thought big problem, because that's factory, that's disaster. But then the guy at Nissan pointed out, no, it's dripping from somewhere higher up and coming along that ledge and then spilling onto the bolts.
Just to summarize, Mario as well as the team in Texas believe that it's potentially a seal. And unfortunately no one in Mexico has the same parts. We already kind of talked about that in our previous issues, but the engines aren't the same, so the parts are not the same. So that's obstacle number 1, is there's no seals, there's no parts here, which could be flown in and even expediting wouldn't be that crazy expensive, I don't think. But the other issue is that we need to confirm that this is the issue, and this place is completely booked until Monday, and even on Monday it would take at least half a day to confirm, and then we'd be getting the part.
I've just spoke with Mike in Texas, and they're gonna, or what I told them I would like them to do, he hasn't confirmed anything yet, is to gather every single component that they think it could be and ship that over leaving today, because who knows how long this is gonna take in customs. And that's like the worst case scenario, is that on Monday, Mario goes to rip open the van and he goes, okay, you need this. And then, okay, you gotta wait a week for customs. So that's what we're dealing with. I just feel like, I guess it's to be expected, like, you know, buying a new engine, like being aware, but I made very clear with those guys, like, should I be driving 12 hours in Mexico tomorrow? I said, yeah, dude, this engine's sweet, no problem. I don't know, I guess shit happens. I just can't believe how much of these vlogs we're spending talking about the engine. It's literally, what, episode 17, 18? In the past 15 vlogs have been about the motor.
As you can see, we're on the move, and we're in Querétaro, so the first... Huh?
Are you in better spirits?
Well, I was just gonna say the first thing we did when we got to Querétaro was call on the one person that could make us feel a heck of a lot better. Mr. Sergio!
Hello guys.
Everyone, I'm sure, misses you quite a bit. We are making the most of our weekend here. One of my favorite things about this city is it genuinely is always perfect weather. So I think that's the plan. Like, I don't know what else to say other than you just got to embrace it. Trinity likes Querétaro so much that she breaks down here every time. We want to vlog so much about anything but mechanical failures, so I'm sorry that it's continuing to be this, but maybe this weekend we'll do an epic vlog of something else. Woo! Honestly, I almost don't even feel like vlogging the weekend.
No, let's take it off.
I think we're gonna take the weekend off.
Yeah.
I think that'll be really good for us.
I think so too.
And hopefully for you guys, so you can get a break from like all this madness.
What is that?
But we're gonna finish vlogging today?
Yeah, I think we have to.
Alright, okay. I'll see you in a bit. Hello!
How are you?
So good to see you.
2 days ago you were in Texas, bro. I don't know I don't know what's happening.
How's that sunbathing going, babe? It looks a little depressing.
There's only one corner of sun on the
You're gonna have an interesting tan line. We actually went to a shop in town, and they actually had vegan cheese, which is cray. The vegan cheese is not that bueno, but we're just doing little pieces. So we're doing like tomato, we got oregano, chili, tomato sauce, olive, sun-dried, fake cheese.
Huge problem here on aisle 12. We got a pizza that is flipped over.
Oh no.
No,
the toppings
bro.
are gone, bro.
It was the best looking pizza too.
I know.
Oh,
I'm like right now, babe.
oh, good job. You have to turn the vlog on yourself now and make a comment.
Here, use this one.
Turn it.
I think it'll be easier to scoop with this.
Yeah, now you make a comment.
Hello guys, so this guy sucks in cooking, bros.
They're looking like the most mediocre pizzas of all time, or what?
I mean, they're not like our classics, but they look alright.
It's cool, bro. They're good.
Yeah? Yeah?
I enjoy them.
Hasta que tú decidas regresar.
You're crazy, bro.
I'm
so pumped you guys are here.
Things are getting crazy. We got the Minimal Millennials rolling in. Like, unbelievable. They just made our weekend because we were like super depressed 3 hours ago.
No, hold on, that's not fair. Let's first say that Serge made our weekend.
True that.
Anyways, you guys.
You're choking me, Bubs.
I'm so excited that they're here. We just want to say we really want our vlogs to move away from engine drama. So I'm sorry that today was again about it, but you know what? We're gonna have the best weekend here. I think we're gonna try to not vlog, just take some time off and just like be so stoked.
And the next time you see us, we'll be enjoying ourselves in a vehicle that moves without problems. It just moves from A to B.
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. The next big thing, you guys. Can't wait to show you. It's cactus, and you take off. Oh, there goes our avocado. Ah,
Avocado down.
avocados.
Avocado.
Should I just try it raw for the camera real quick?
Alright,
Buddy, get your sticky fingers out of there.
hey, buddy, I just want to try it.
No, are you kidding?
Why?
You're a chunky monkey. I gave you lunch already.
Oh my god, this bread is fresh.
I knew it would be.